मसाला इतना जल क्यों गया? Why did the masala burn so much? Why did the masala burn so much? मैंने देर से चलाया. I stirred it late. I stirred it late. मैं तो बस थोड़ी देर बाहर गया था. I just stepped out briefly. I just stepped out briefly. गैस बहुत तेज थी. The flame was too high. The flame was too high. मोबाइल में लगा रहा, ध्यान नहीं रहा. Got busy on phone. Got busy on phone. आज तवा ही ज़्यादा गर्म हो गया था. The pan got overheated today. The pan got overheated today. तुमने कितनी चाय पी ली आज? How much tea have you had today? How much tea have you had today? बस 2 कप ही तो. Just 2 cups. Just 2 cups. आज तो एक भी नहीं पी. Haven't had even one today. Haven't had even one today. शायद 3 हो गए होंगे. Maybe 3 already. Maybe 3 already. सर्दी में और गिनती मत करो. Don't count during winters. Don't count during winters. जब तक काम है, चाय चलती रहेगी. As long as there is work, tea will continue. As long as there is work, tea will continue. नाश्ता तैयार क्यों नहीं हुआ अभी तक? Why isn't the breakfast ready yet? Why isn't the breakfast ready yet? थोड़ा लेट उठे थे आज. Woke up late today. Woke up late today. तुमने तो कहा था बाहर से मंगवाएंगे. You said we'll order today. You said we'll order today. सब्जी नहीं थी फ्रिज में. There were no veggies in the fridge. There were no veggies in the fridge. चाय बना रही थी, वो ही टाइम ले गया. Tea took up the time. Tea took up the time. आटा ही नहीं गूंदा हुआ था. Dough wasn't even ready. Dough wasn't even ready. बर्तन इतना क्यों बजा रहे हो? Why are you making so much noise with utensils? Why are you making so much noise with utensils? जल्दी जल्दी साफ कर रहा हूँ. I am cleaning in a hurry. I am cleaning in a hurry. मैं तो धीरे ही कर रहा हूँ. I am doing it slowly. I am doing it slowly. स्लैब छोटा है, जगह नहीं मिल रही. The slab is small, no space. The slab is small, no space. बर्तन ही आज ज़्यादा है. Too many utensils today. Too many utensils today. कान बंद कर लो, सफाई हो रही है. Close your ears, cleaning is on. Close your ears, cleaning is on. दही खट्टा क्यों हो गया? Why did the curd turn sour? Why did the curd turn sour? ज़्यादा देर बाहर रखा. Left it out too long. Left it out too long. फ्रिज में भी रखा, फिर भी खट्टा हो गया. Even kept it in the fridge, still turned sour. Even kept it in the fridge, still turned sour. मौसम ही गर्म है बहुत. Weather is too hot. Weather is too hot. जामन ज़्यादा पड़ गया था. Use too much starter. Use too much starter. शायद पुराना दूध था. Maybe the milk was old. Maybe the milk was old. सब्जी में ये क्या डाला है? What did you add in the curry? What did you add in the curry? थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा मसाला डाला. Added some extra spices. added some extra spices. कुछ नया ट्राई किया, tried something new, tried something new. मिक्स मसाला था, पता नहीं क्या क्या था. It was a mixed spice, not sure what all. It was a mixed spice, not sure what all. गलती से हल्दी की जगह मिर्च पड़ गई. Added chili instead of turmeric by mistake. Added chili instead of turmeric by mistake. गार्लिक वाला पेस्ट डाल दिया था. I added garlic paste. I added garlic paste. तवा कहाँ रख दिया? Where did you keep the tawa? Where did you keep the tawa? सिंक के पास रखा है. Near the sink. Near the sink. मुझे तो नहीं पता. I don't know. I don't know. शायद दूसरे स्लैब पर होगा. Maybe on the other slab. Maybe on the other slab. धोने के बाद उल्टा रख दिया था. I kept it upside down after washing. I kept it upside down after washing. चूल्हे पर ही होगा शायद. Maybe still on the stove. Maybe still on the stove. तुमने रोटियां गिनकर रखी है क्या? Did you count the chapatis before keeping? Did you count the chapatis before keeping? हाँ, 8 ही रखी है. Yes, I kept 8. Yes, I kept 8. नहीं, अंदाज से रख दी. No, I just guess. No, I just guess. एक कम रह गई शायद. Maybe one is less. Maybe one is less. अब खाने बैठो फिर देख लेना. Sit and eat, you'll find out. Sit and eat, you'll find out. डिब्बा खाली क्यों है? Why is the container empty? Why is the container empty? सब इस्तेमाल हो गया. It's all used up. It's all used up. मैंने तो नहीं खाया. I didn't eat from it. I didn't eat from it. किसी ने बिना बताए खा लिया. Someone ate without telling. Someone ate without telling. भूल गए थे भरना. Forgot to refill it. Forgot to refill it. मिर्च इतनी तेज क्यों लग रही है? Why is the chili so hot today? Why is the chili so hot today? बाजार से ताजी ली थी. Got fresh ones from market. Got fresh ones from market. मैंने तो थोड़ी ही डाली थी. I added very little. I added very little. मसाले में भी मिर्च थी शायद. Maybe spices had chili too. Maybe spices had chili too. तुम्हारी जीभ तेज हो गई है. Your tongue has become too sensitive. Your tongue has become too sensitive. गलती से हरी और लाल दोनों डाल दी. I added both green and red ones by mistake. I added both green and red ones by mistake. ताजी सब्जी कहाँ रखी है? Where is the fresh vegetable kept? Where is the fresh vegetable kept? फ्रिज में ऊपर वाले सेक्शन में. In the upper section of the fridge. In the upper section of the fridge. मुझे नहीं पता, लाया ही नहीं. I didn't bring any. I didn't bring any. नीचे वाली टोकरी में देखो. Check the lower basket. Check the lower basket. किचन बैग में ही है अभी. Still in the kitchen bag. Still in the kitchen bag. भूल गया निकालना. Forgot to take them out. Forgot to take them out. चूल्हा साफ क्यों नहीं किया अभी तक? Why haven't you cleaned the stove yet? Why haven't you cleaned the stove yet? अभी कर रहा हूँ. Doing it now. Doing it now. टाइम ही नहीं मिला. Didn't get time. Didn't get time. किसी और ने इस्तेमाल कर लिया. Someone else used it again. Someone else used it again. पहले तुम बोलते हो, फिर साफ करो. First you say use it, then clean it. First you say use it, then clean it. रोज रोज मैं ही क्यों करूं? Why me every day? Why me every day? दूध उबला क्यों नहीं अभी तक? Why hasn't the milk boiled yet? Why hasn't the milk boiled yet? धीमी आंच पर रखा है. Kept on low flame. Kept on low flame. गैस ही चालू नहीं की. Didn't turn on the gas. Didn't turn on the gas. ध्यान ही नहीं रहा. Didn't pay attention. Didn't pay attention. बर्तन छोटा था, ट्रांसफर किया. The pot was small, I transferred it. The pot was small, I transferred it. उबलते उबलते मना कर दिया. It refused to boil. It refused to boil. किचन में इतना पानी कैसे गिर गया? How did so much water spill in the kitchen? How did so much water spill in the kitchen? बर्तन धोते वक्त गिरा. Spilled while washing utensils. Spilled while washing utensils. मुझसे नहीं हुआ. Wasn't me. Wasn't me. बाल्टी गिर गई होगी. Maybe the bucket fell. Maybe the bucket fell. Water bottle लीक कर रही है. The water bottle is leaking. The water bottle is leaking. ये कौन सी खुशबू आ रही है? What's this smell coming from the kitchen? What's this smell coming from the kitchen? तड़का लगाया है. I added तड़का. I added तड़का. कुछ स्पेशल नहीं है. Nothing special. Nothing special. शायद खिचड़ी बन रही है. Maybe खिचड़ी is being made. Maybe खिचड़ी is being made. मैंने बटर गरम किया है. I melted some butter. I melted some butter. तुम्हारी भूख ही तेज है. Your hunger is making up smells. Your hunger is making up smells. आलू कहाँ रखे हैं? Where are the potatoes kept? Where are the potatoes kept? जमीन पर टोकरा रखा है. Basket is on the floor. Basket is on the floor. मुझे नहीं दिखे. I didn't see any. I didn't see any. शायद बालकनी में रखे हैं. Maybe in the balcony. Maybe in the balcony. तुम्हारे सामने ही थे. देखो ठीक से. They were right in front of you. They were right in front of you. आज तो खत्म हो गए शायद. Might be finished today. Might be finished today. आटा किसने गिराया? Who spilled the flour? Who spilled the flour? मेरी गलती थी. It was my mistake. It was my mistake. मैं तो किचन में ही नहीं गया. I didn't even go in the kitchen. I didn't even go in the kitchen. हाथ से फिसल गया होगा. Might have slipped. Might have slipped. डिब्बा खुला छोड़ दिया था. Left the container open. Left the container open. हवा चली और उड़ गया. Wind blew it all over. Wind blew it all over. गैस सिलेंडर खत्म क्यों हुआ जल्दी? Why did the gas cylinder get over so soon? Why did the gas cylinder get over so soon? इस हफ्ते ज्यादा खाना बना. We cooked more this week. We cooked more this week. नया सिलेंडर ही कम भरा था. New one had less gas. New one had less gas. कोई लीकेज है शायद. Maybe there is a leakage. Maybe there is a leakage. पता ही नहीं चला कब खत्म हो गया. Didn't even realize when it got over. Didn't even realize when it got over. सब चाय पर चाय पी रहे थे. Everyone was drinking tea after tea. Everyone was drinking tea after tea. तुमने सब्जी काटी या नहीं? Did you chop the veggies or not? Did you chop the veggies or not? हाँ सब काट दिए. Yes, chop them all. Yes, chop them all. अभी करने ही वाला था. Was just about to do it. Was just about to do it. थोड़ी बची है अब भी. Some are still left. Some are still left. मैं समझा तुमने काट ली होगी. I thought you had chopped them. I thought you had chopped them. कौन सी काटनी थी बताओ फिर. Which ones to chop? Tell me first. Which ones to chop? Tell me first. रसोई में कौन था अभी? Who was just in the kitchen? Who was just in the kitchen? मैं ही गया था पानी लेने. I went to get water. I went to get water. मुझे तो पता नहीं चला. I didn't notice. I didn't notice. शायद पापा गए होंगे. Maybe dad went. Maybe dad went. दरवाजा खुला था, कोई तो था. Door was open. Someone must have been there. Door was open. Someone must have been there. कुत्ता फिर से घुस गया क्या? Did the dog sneak in again? Did the dog sneak in again? अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो वीडियो को लाइक और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा वीडियो को शेयर करें. एंड लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन कि आगे आपको और कौन से टॉपिक पर वीडियो चाहिए. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वन.